Okay, so now that we have modeled our salt shaker, you see it's flat and it's got 3 separate objects. These are 3 objects, solid objects. So you could go here to solid bodies, under solid bodies in the history tree. And if you click on each one, you can see that it highlights the solid body. So I could actually right click and hide each body. So in this part, what we're going to do is hollow this out. So in this case, we're going to use the shell command, which is under features. So we're going to do it by part. So let's hide the top and let's hide the middle part. So we only are working with the bottom part. So under features, we're going to click on shell. Now what the shell is going to do, it's going to hollow out the inside. So we need 2 surfaces. In this case, the top, and we need the bottom, 2 faces. So click on show preview here in the manager, shell manager, and then you can see these rings. It's giving you a preview. So we're going to change this to 2 millimeters. And you can see it's creating a hollow or a shell. So I'm fine with 2 millimeters. I'm going to say OK. Now you can see all the way through. Alright, so now what we're going to do is hide the bottom part and we're going to show the middle section. We're going to do the same process. Under features, we're going to click on shell. We're going to change this to 2 millimeters. Click in this window. We're going to click on the top surface, face, and we're going to click on the bottom face. Show preview. These yellow rings here are showing you the hollow space that it's going to create. Keep it at 2 millimeters. I'm fine with that. I'm going to say OK. As you can see, it's hollowed out all the way through. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do now is hide the middle section, and we're going to show the top. So you're going to hollow out this as well. Same procedure. This time we're going to need to select one face. So under features, we click on shell command. In the shell manager, I'm going to want this to be at 2 millimeters. Press enter. And I only need to select one face in this case. Show preview. I'm going to make this a little small, make it 1 millimeter. Looks good. I'm going to say OK. And you can see it's hollowed it out. Okay. So I'm going to show my solid bodies, and I have the whole salt shaker built here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show my top plane, because I'm going to create a sketch on that. I'm going to make that normal 2. I'm going to create the holes that are on top of the salt shaker, where the salt comes out from. So I'm going to create a sketch. Select the top plane, sketch tab, sketch, and I'm just going to do a construction line to reference from the origin. So I'm going to offset that at, going to do right click, select, smart dimension, click on the line, and I'm going to give that, let's see, 7 millimeters. Say OK. Now I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to make that, let's make that 1 millimeter. Let's say OK. Now I've created one hole here, and I'm going to actually rotate this around 6 times. So in order to do that, I'm still on the sketch command. I'm going to click on under linear sketch pattern. If you click on the little arrow, you'll see circular sketch pattern. click on that, it's automatically, since I'm still in sketch mode, it's automatically going to rotate the circle that I've done. So now it has 4 selected. I want 6. Press enter, so you have 6 holes created. At 360, equal spacing. If you're going to do equal spacing, it will set it side by side. In this case, they're all equal spacing within that 260 degree. It's using the center of this, so we're good. And we say OK. Now exit sketch. Now you can see it here at the bottom. It's created there. You can see the sketch. So I'm going to go to features. I'm going to extrude cut. So that is going to extrude cut and cut the holes at the top of my salt shaker. So I'm going to do through all. I'm going to change the direction. As you can see, it shows me a preview at the top of what the holes are going to look like. I think I'm okay with that. And I'm going to select OK. So now I have cut the holes at the top of the salt shaker. Okay? So now we are actually done with this. If you notice, if I scroll in and I rotate, you notice that the bottom is open. I actually don't want that. Instead of creating a new bottom, what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this shell feature that I created. So we're going to go back and click on, first of all, we're going to hide the middle body, and we're going to edit feature of the first shell command. So if you can see here, I click on shell and highlights this part. So I'm going to right click on that, edit feature. I'm going to delete the bottom. So instead of selecting the 2 faces, all I'm going to select is the top. What that will do, it'll only shell out up to the bottom of it. It won't cut all the way through. Millimeters, I say OK. Now you can see it has a bottom to it. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show the middle part, and we've created the salt shaker.